يا فتاح يا عليم يا رزاق يا كريم.
Sometimes you gotta fight. Is that Spike?
صدقني انا لو اعرف اقول لك. انا ذات نفسي مش عارف.
Time to take Spooky for a walk. Gotta stay calm. Come on, Spooky. Who is frightened now? Spooky is gonna get you. Am I a ghost? Why me?
مالكش دعوة. مالكش دعوة.
I will haunt you. You didn't have to do that. I missed the ghost train. This place is scary. Don't be mean. What was that? Hey, I'm just a kid. Wait till I get spooked.
تعالى انتوا عايزين تطلعوا الكلب اللي جوايا.
You should be more careful. Costly mistake. You got bested by a child.
انت عايز ايه حضرتك؟ ايه ليه؟
My balloon! Ha! You got spooked! Maybe I'll get to meet Spike! I really hope Spike is watching this! Wow, I'm in the lead! Stop looking at me! We made it, Spooky! We made it, Spooky! This could get dangerous. Here we go again. Words aren't always enough.